Hello friends, welcome to your channel IELTS WALA. This video is about the prediction of 11th January IELTS exam. This video is going to be very important for you because I will tell you some concepts which are not available on any other YouTube video. Moreover, I will give you the latest cue cards which are released by Makkad IELTS for January to April 2020, which you may get in your speaking exam. Don't forget to subscribe this channel IELTS WALA. After subscribing, you will automatically get Makkad IELTS YouTube channels in your YouTube feed. Moreover, if you would like to join the Makkad IELTS WhatsApp groups, just comment down your number. We will join you in Makkad IELTS groups. On this channel, we daily do live streaming in which we do speaking sessions and questioning and answering session. You can take benefit of that session, so don't wait and subscribe this channel IELTS WALA. Press the bell icon to get notification. Whole IELTS course is available, from vocabulary to patterns to speaking tips, tricks, how to prepare for your IELTS at home. Everything is available. Just go and check. Let us start this video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. So let us begin with the listening. As you know, this based how the IELTS exam came during the New Year's, and what about the pattern, did they change any pattern or not. And we have created this video on the basis of December exams and some January exam which usually IELTS take during the beginning of the year. So as you know, this exam is along with the general training, so of course this exam is going to be easy. So far as listening is concerned, overall listening level is going to be very easy. In section 1 you will get blanks, which will be easy. You will not get any difficult questions. In section 2 you will get multiple choice questions or match the info questions. Match the info questions are those questions which you usually practice during your practice test. Suppose there are some options and you have to select the right options, so that are the match the info questions. In section 3 you will get multiple choice questions which are going to be very easy, and in section 4 you will get fill in the blanks. In section 1 and section 4 it is guaranteed that you will get fill in the blanks, and they are going to be easy, and the overall level is going to be easy. So how to practice your listening? Just do the Cambridge listening. If you have Cambridge books you can practice, otherwise you can get Cambridge listening from YouTube as well. In the exam you will get the listening same pattern as the Cambridge books, because from years the exam is same as the Cambridge books listening, so you can practice your listening from that. And if you face any difficulty in maps or multiple choice questions, you can do one thing. Suppose you are doing map, so what you can do, you can just play the recording for the map and solve the map, but don't check the answers. Then again play the recording for the map and solve the map again, and check is there any difference in your answer in first and second attempt, and then check your answers. If your all answers are correct, then you are doing well. Keep practicing. But if there is any change in your first attempt and second attempt answers, then check where you did the mistake. Play the recording again so that you can find your mistake, and this is going to be easy to find your mistake. Follow the same pattern for the multiple choice questions and listening as well. So let us go to reading. This time reading is going to be easy to moderate. In section 1 it will be easy. Section 2 will be somewhat tricky but will not be difficult, and section 3 will be moderate but it will also not be difficult. You will get list of headings, blanks, multiple choice questions, and true false and not given in your reading test. How to practice? Again follow the same pattern for the Cambridge books. The level of the Cambridge books reading you will get in exam. The passages which are easy are same as the Cambridge books, but the passage which is going to be moderate is a mixture of Cambridge easy reading and Cambridge moderate reading. In Cambridge books the reading is available of all kinds, but you can also check on YouTube about moderate readings. You can solve 1 to 2 passages from YouTube for the moderate reading, so that you can come to know what kind of reading you will get during your exam. So let us talk about writing. After writing I will tell you about speaking, what cue cards you will get. In writing task 1 there are chances that you will get map or line graph, and there is also chance of table. Sorry, it is not mentioned, but there is chance of table as well. So just focus on everything, but do more focus on map, line graph and table. In task 2 you will get essays for agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree, or you may get advantages or disadvantages essay, or you may get discuss both views essay. Here is some vocabulary for the topics economics and education. You can read such as cash versus credit card, saving versus spending, globalization and economy, world economic issues, economic progress and success. For education, you may also use this vocabulary, which is going to be helpful. But if you want more vocabulary for every topics, then you can do one thing. Just visit to my channel. There is vocabulary, 3 to 4 videos for the vocabulary. You can check which is going to be beneficial for you. Let us talk about speaking cue cards. So these are the cue cards released by Makkad IELTS, which is the latest cue card you may get in your speaking. And the first cue card is: describe a toy you had in your childhood. Next, describe a water sport you want to do. A time when you invited someone to have dinner at home or restaurant. Describe an unusual vacation you had. Describe a school that you went to when you were a child. Describe a person who likes to travel by plane. Talk about an advice you gave someone. Describe a prize you want to win. Describe a time when you enjoyed your visit to a park or garden. Or describe an advice you received on your subjects or work. Describe an interesting conversation you had with someone you did not know. Describe a person who has interesting opinions. And describe a person you know who is good at his or her job. And the last is describe a situation when you received some useful advice. So these are the important cue cards. If you want sample answers, then subscribe this channel. You will get Makkad IELTS channel in your YouTube feed, and you will get the Makkad IELTS sample answers in that channels. Moreover, comment down your WhatsApp number. We will add you in our WhatsApp group, and we will share all the sample answers. So keep watching this channel, IELTS WALA. Don't forget to subscribe. We wish you good luck for your exam. Keep watching. Thank you. God bless you.